Hey fellas, welcome back to another video.
Help!
So we're doing a fishing tournament and
sunk yet. Somebody help me.
we're doing teams. The teams are Marley and Trev and me, Braden and Toby. So Braden's got 1 point, Marley has 1 point and Trev has 2 points because that's a bream and brims are hard.
Ready? Let's get a release on the dog.
Alright, everyone release your fishies. I'm walking up the dog.
Triple review.
Go fellas, first brim dog, 2 points. Oi.
We're all good.
Watch out, maybe move.
Okay, that thing's just chill. Alright. Big flatty release. Big flatty. Little flatty. Little dog. Oh, look at that gap. Good job, Braden. Are you on, Mark? Alright, so we're just walking around on the flats using plastics. And all of us, we're doing a fishing tournament. We don't know what we're going to win yet, but maybe the losers will have to eat like an egg or something.
That's a bridge.
Trevor just hooked up. Alright, that's 1 point to the flathead spots. There's a fish. This is going to be a point if I get it up. This is legal. I'm going to keep it.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh. Ooh, come on. Alright, that's a point. What's our team name? Flatty Whisperers. Alright. 1 point, and we got 2 points in total now, I think.
That's a nice flathead.
Marley's hooking up. What's your team again?
Flatty spots.
Flatty spots are getting the dogs.
Shit, that tree.
That's another point if he gets it in. It's a little bit big. I don't think he's going to lift it at all.
Fred, do you want to go down there and land it?
No, the only one that can help you is your team. The only one that can help you is your team. He's in danger zone. He needs his point. It's a big flathead.
Oh, it's hook's good.
Oh, there goes his phone. Flathead spots.
Let's go.
Damn, another.
Legal too.
Claimed another fish. Righto, that's another point. Yeah. Well, I'm on. That's another. If I catch this, that's a point for Flatty Whisperers. That's a pretty light flathead. It's like very clean fish in the entrance. Clean looking dusky flathead. Chuck her back in the drink. Off she goes. I've hooked up again. Another flatty.
Did you just get another one?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. Alright, this is another point if I land it. A little bit bigger than the other one. The next cast. Holy. Oh my god. No. That's bigger flathead. I need your knife, Braden. That's a very nice looking flathead, got good colours. I'm going to keep it for a feed. That's 1 point for the fish whisperers. There's another flathead for flathead spot. Fishing people. That's another point for Trev and Marley. Wait, it's big too. It's actually big as. How did you just lift that up? That's another point and that's like 55. That's a big flathead. There's another fish for Flatty Whisperers. Yes, it's a flatty. That's another point. Oh, it's getting me all wet. Go on, Toby.
Are we counting them even from the side?
Yeah.
What's that? Is that 6?
I don't know. No spark medicine.
Toby, you gotta like set the hook on. Huh? If you feel like take off, like do that.
Can you please stop, Flathead? Oh, just... Alright, there it goes, little flathead. Yeah. Trevor's hooked a fish. I'm calling flathead. Little flathead, that's 1 point for the flathead spots. Fish on. I think it's a flathead, I just saw it. But that's 1 point for the fish whisperers. Boom. 1 point. I'm on to the smallest flatty. But that's still a point. No, this is my first ever striped tail flathead. That's my first ever one. I've never caught a flathead that's not a dusky, and I caught one just now. See the tail? That's so cool. Never caught one. Please, that's one. Oh, he bites down so hard. Where's it? That's so sick. I've never caught a flagged. You caught a flagtail? I've never caught a flathead like that, but look at the tail. Look at the tail.
Whoa. Is it a sand one?
Flagtail. Have you ever seen one with that tail?
No. Striped.
Flagtail. Striped tail. I don't know.
Wow. It's like really.
Never caught one of them before. They only get like 40 centimeters, but 50 centimeters?
Black tail.
Yeah, that, if you catch a 50 centimeter one, that's as big as they get. Off he goes. We just found a nice flathead lure. That's a pretty big one. And over here's another big one. But they're about to go have a lunch break. And we're just walking on this flat. There's another flathead lure. That's a wrap for that episode. I'm going to put the scores on top of the screen. But that's what we came out with. 6 legal flathead. What do you reckon, boys? Who do you reckon won?
I'm hard.
Flatty Whisperers.
Yeah.
No way. Bloody spots. No.
Yeah, I'll
Like and subscribe. What do you have to say, man?
Messi.